Hey everyone, it's Dakota again, and today I want to talk to you about Osmocote and why you should use it. A lot of people don't know that your plants need nutrition, but they really do. Osmocote has 11 essential nutrients that plants need and can be applied on all variety of plants in all types of places. It also comes with a no-burn pledge, which means even if you over-fertilize, your plants won't get brown tips at the end of it. This is because it has a slow-release technology that gives your plants the food that they need when they need it. Additionally, it comes in all types of sizes and containers, which means that it also has different measurement tools. In the bottles, you have this spoon, which has a teaspoon on one end and a tablespoon on the other. The cap also doubles as a measurement tool as it holds 3 tablespoons. While on the bags, you have a scoop, which holds 3 tablespoons.
The first thing that we need to do is to calculate how much Osmocote fertilizer is right for this plant. Based on the directions in the label, we need to know the container size in gallons. This can be calculated based on measuring the container's diameter at its widest point. This plant is in a container with a diameter of about 8 inches, meaning that it is in a 1-gallon container. Using the conversion table on the right, and also found at PlantersPlace.com, we can see that this means we need to measure out just under 2.5 teaspoons of fertilizer for an indoor container plant. To apply, just spread the fertilizer around the plant as evenly as possible and mix into the top few inches of soil.
As you saw, Osmocote should be applied dry and does not need water to be activated. But there you have it, my plant is fed and it will be fed for the next 6 months with the outdoor and indoor formula. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.